All right, now, family, what's going on? Today, I wanted to give you some quick insight on the actual crypto.com app that I was speaking on for some of you who may want a more of a visual representation. All right, you can see here's the home screen. They have the favorites here. They have some of the top gainers that you can take a peek at. All right. They have missions, which you can actually get rewarded and get free CRO. Just for following some of the missions, pretty much making purchases. Let me go ahead and click on missions here. You can see I have 5 diamonds earned. You can, quick mission complete, volume venture. Here's his buy or sell USD $500 of crypto in a day. You get 60 gems. And what happens when you get a gem, it goes inside of the vault. Okay, and when you click on my rewards here, you can see that I've earned 3.9 CRO and I can withdraw that. Okay, it doesn't seem like much, but it does add up, and it's fun to actually make money just from doing certain things here. Here are the diamonds that I've earned. You have to tap anywhere to go ahead and claim them. Okay, so let me just go back out of here. Next thing you can do is you can click on any one of these. You can click on trade or transfer, but what I want to do is actually show you accounts. All right. And if you want to click on this little eyeball here, you can kind of open and close, if you want the stuff private or not a big deal here. Okay. So if you want to click on crypto wallet from here, you can actually see whatever tokens that you're actually holding in this particular wallet in this app. All right. And you just scroll down and you can click on view everything. All right. You can see you have options to buy, sell, pay, and transfer. You can click on buy, and it's going to ask you which cryptocurrency that you want to purchase. All right. You can even search it here. Say if I wanted Bitcoin, I would search it there. Another way that you can navigate it is just by clicking on it from this blue screen. Or you can actually click this search arrow right here, right under the transfer on the right side, the search arrow, and you can search for any of the cryptocurrencies that's on here. All right. And say, for instance, I wanted to go to VVS Finance. All right. And I wanted to acquire some more VVS Finance. What I would do is I would go to buy. All right. And you can actually buy from your credit or debit card. You would just click add credit or debit card, and you can add it from there. If you have money inside of your crypto wallet, say you want to use Bitcoin to acquire, you can do it there. If you have money in your fiat wallets, you can do it there. Okay. But say just for this video, I want to go ahead and acquire some more VVS from my Bitcoin. I'm just going to click that. I'm going to confirm it. Put my passcode in there and let it do its thing. And I've just purchased 260,000 VVS for probably just about $20 worth of Bitcoin. Okay. So now if we back out, we can actually refresh the balance, and you can see the difference in the balance. All right. Between the VVS and whatnot there. All right. So back out of here. And we're going to go to track, and that's where you can see a lot of the coins. Let's go back to this middle button. All right, here, and this middle button allows you another place to see your crypto wallet, your fiat wallet, so on and so forth there. Okay, so a lot of ways to navigate to the same things. Down at the bottom right, you can see where it says card. If you don't have a card, this will be where you click and it'll ask you what card you want and when you want to stake for it. If you do have a card already, I'll go back to the screen and show you that as well. All right. But when you have the card, you can just click on top up. Okay. And then the same way I purchased the VVS using Bitcoin, I can use these particular coins, all of these coins, to actually load, convert it to USD and load it onto the debit card. So you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin, Polygon, Litecoin, Uniswap, Chainlink, Stellar, Decentraland, VeChain, EOS, the Engine Coin, the Chili's Coin, the Paxos Standard, or the last one there, the Zilliqa. If I'm butchering these names, please forgive me. And it's the same process there that you would use to load up your card, and it goes on there immediately. You see I've made just a random few purchases here just to see that you can use it pretty much anywhere. Yes, I went to Smoker's Paradise to get me a little CBD. All right. So if we go back here to this middle one, okay, you can see where it says crypto wallet. We're going to click back on crypto wallet, and I'm going to show you how you can actually stake to get the CRO rewards and actually get the rewards to the card there. Okay, so click on crypto.com, and it says CRO stake. If you already staked, it may say upgrade, in this particular area as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually click on the stake button, and this will actually, you'll lock up your money to earn interest to get these benefits and to actually get the levels of the cards that I was showing you yesterday. Okay, so you could stake for 400 and get the Ruby card. You can stake for 4,000 and get the next card up that has better benefits. And you can see right here 10% CRO stake rewards. That's pretty darn good. 10% stake rewards there. Okay, on top of if you're in it for the long term, and so on and so forth. So you would just go through this process. You would continue to stake, and then here's where you would either use your CRO balance amount, or you would actually lock it up for 180 days. All right, you will enjoy 10% in CRO stake rewards. It will be credited to your CRO wallet every 7 days. So every 7 days you'll accumulate CRO for that allotted period of time, and you can actually use external CRO wallet and send it from there. Use your debit card, or use the money that's already in your wallet. So that's the process of actually going in here and getting the card. I'm not going to continue with the process at this time, but I just wanted to show you all that. So hopefully this short video gives you some insight. It's pretty simple. And if you have any questions, I'll make an updated video for that. All right, peace, family. Be sure to click the link in the description to jump on crypto.com. And remember, when you get the free $25, you have to stake at least 400 of those dollars like I just showed you, and you can actually refer people and make money doing the same thing. All right, peace. See y'all soon.